How to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, now click any of the picture that you want to send. Let me click one random picture. Once clicked, click on this icon right over here. Right now it's on no limit. Now in order for you to send one-time view, simply set it to 1 second. And then click on send to at the bottom right corner. From here you can select any of the person to send this snap. Let me select this person for now. Click on it and then tap on send icon. The snap has been sent to this person, but this person will only be able to view once. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.